What's the secret to the irresistible taste of Kentucky Fried Chicken? The exact recipe remains a guarded commercial secret. However, it's possible to recreate a similar flavor using common spices and ingredients available at home. Remember, this is an approximation and may not exactly mirror the original recipe. Here are the ingredients: 2 to 3 pieces of chicken, thighs and breasts, 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of cumin, salt to taste, 1 cup of milk, oil for frying. Now, on to the preparation. In a large bowl, blend together the flour, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, paprika, cumin, and salt. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until evenly combined. Next, dip the chicken pieces in the milk, then coat them in the dry mixture until they are well covered. This step could be repeated twice to achieve a thicker outer layer. Heat oil in a deep pan over medium heat to a temperature of about 180 degrees Celsius. Gradually place the coated chicken pieces in the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd them. Depending on the size of your pan, you might need to fry them in batches. After about 5 to 7 minutes, flip the chicken pieces to the other side to ensure even frying until they turn golden brown. Continue frying the chicken until it's fully cooked and the outer crust is crispy and golden. This could take around 15 to 20 minutes. Use a strainer to drain the excess oil from the fried chicken. Serve the hot fried chicken and enjoy the taste. Please note that this recipe approximates the flavor of KFC chicken, but is not the actual recipe. There may be other elements in the original recipe that are not mentioned here. So, enjoy this homemade version, and who knows, you might just create your own secret recipe.